Hello students, in this video we are going to study the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In previous video I told that the classification is of two types. First type of classification is on the basis of number of halogen atoms attached, and second type of classification is based on type of the hybridization. Here the classification is on the basis of number of halogen atoms. These may be classified as mono, di or polyhalogen compounds depending on whether they contain 1, 2 or more halogen atoms in their structure. For example, in monohaloalkane, here mono means single or only one. One halogen atom is attached to the alkyl group. So this is ethyl halide. Ethyl halide is a general name. So we call it as monohaloalkane. And second is dihaloalkane. Di means two. Here two halogen atoms are attached to the alkyl group. And next one is polyhaloalkanes. Poly means more than two. It may be 3, 4, 5, tri, tetra, etc. Here more than two atoms are attached to the alkyl group in polyhaloalkanes. Here you can see three halogen atoms are attached to the alkyl group. So we call it as trihaloalkane. Similarly, as like haloalkane, haloarenes are also classified as monohaloarene, dihaloarene and polyhaloarene. In monohaloarene, one halogen atom is attached to the aromatic ring. In dihaloarene, two halogen atoms are attached to the aromatic ring. In trihaloarene, here three halogen atoms are attached to the aromatic ring. So we call it as trihaloarene. Arene is nothing but benzene. Okay. Next, monohalo compounds are further classified into two types according to the hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen is bonded. That is, compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond. Here X means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And next, compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. Let us look at the first type, compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond. This type is further classified into three types, that is alkyl halide, allylic halide and benzylic halide. In that, first type is alkyl halides or haloalkenes. In alkyl halides, the halogen atom, that is X, is bonded to the alkyl group. Here halogen atom X is bonded to the alkyl group R. They will form R bonded to X. Alkyl halides are formed like this. They will also form a homologous series represented by CnH2n plus 1 X. Here number of carbon atoms is N and number of hydrogen atoms is 2n plus 1 and X is the halogen atom. These alkyl halides are further classified as primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide according to the nature of carbon to which halogen is attached. Before going to primary alkyl halide, we have to know that what is primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom and tertiary carbon atom. In primary carbon atom, carbon is attached to the two hydrogen. In secondary carbon atom, carbon is attached to the one hydrogen atom, and in tertiary carbon atom, carbon is not attached to the hydrogen because there won't be a hydrogen to attach. Here look at the example. In primary alkyl halide, one halogen is attached to this primary carbon, so it will form primary alkyl halide. In secondary alkyl halide, the halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom. We get secondary alkyl halide. Similarly, in tertiary alkyl halide, here you can see the halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. What we get? We get tertiary alkyl halide. And next type is allylic halides. These are the compounds in which halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is to an allylic carbon. Here we have two examples. We write this example as CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 X. Both of these are same. Here halogen is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. This halogen is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further attached to carbon-carbon double bond. So we call it as allylic halide. This carbon-carbon double bond, this carbon is called allylic carbon. Second example, here halogen atom X is attached to the carbon atom which is having sp3 hybridized state, which is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. We know that there is singly bonded carbon atom, definitely it is having sp3 hybridization. If suppose there is doubly bonded carbon atom, it is having sp2 hybridization. Okay, then what happens if there is triply bonded carbon atom is there? Obviously it is sp hybridization. Next type is benzylic halides. These are the compounds in which halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring, same as previous, but the change is the carbon atom sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to the next to an aromatic ring. Here the examples are like this. Here the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is primary carbon because it is attached to the two hydrogen atoms. This carbon which is attached to aromatic ring or benzene ring, so we call it as primary benzylic halide. Primary benzylic halide. In next example, here you can see this halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to aromatic ring, so we call it as benzylic halide. And second type is compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen bond. These are further classified as vinylic halides and aryl halides. In that, first type is vinylic halide. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond. Here the examples are like this. Here we write this example as CH2 double bond CH single bond X. Both are same. Here halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is sp2 hybridized carbon atom. We know that when the carbon having double bond, it will having sp2 hybridization. So we call it as vinylic halide. Next example, in cyclohexene, here halogen is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, which is doubly bonded carbon-carbon. So it is also vinylic halide. And next type is aryl halide. These are the compounds in which the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. Here we have halogen attached to the aromatic ring, and in next example halogen is also attached to the aromatic ring, which is further attached to methyl group. So these halides are called aryl halides. This is all about classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In next video we will study how to name haloalkanes and haloarenes according to IUPAC nomenclature.